Okay. So he's going to do that in the same place every time, right? So you want to be prepared for that and like, hey, give him a little something, something before he does it.
He comes in?
No. You know how while he did a drive-by shooting? Okay. He's probably going to hit that behavior in the same place on the circle every time. So as you see him come around, rather than waiting for him to do it and correcting it, hey, step into him a little bit, put a little pressure right there so he goes, oh, can't do it there. Yep, okay. So, stop. Get your sheep against the fence. Yeah? How would your sheep want to go here is to drop your dog, this quadrant right here, this is where you drop. Yeah? From here, the sheep aren't going to go this way, they're not going to go this way, because he's got them blocked. Right? So, once your sheep are here, and you slide up here, and you go this way. The dog is where it's safe. You don't know where the dog can get him. Right? So, if you can get him, return your sheep here, and keep going. Yeah? No. If your dog... Stop it! If your dog